Good day. My name is Dr. Mompati. I'm a consultant physician at Riverside Hospital in Francistown. Sanitization and sterilization of airs and surfaces has always been a priority of ours, with the belief that prevention is better than cure. With population growth, increase of movement and increase of viruses and diseases, especially airborne diseases, we knew that we needed to get ahead of the times and look into the future for the effective sanitization of our facility to safeguard our staff, patients, and their visitors. When COVID-19 hit the world and Francistown community in early 2020, causing a wave of panic and distress globally, we were highly concerned that we would not be able to meet the sanitary needs required to combat a virus that was spreading like rapid fire. The need to sterilize our air and surfaces became our main priority. It was around that time that I was introduced to the team of Maverick, led by Mr. Darrell Nika, and was informed about the revolutionary UV-C sterilization system that they had to offer. I was drawn to the fact that it was a long-term, cost-effective, quality-infused, applied science sterilization system that sanitized both air and surfaces. We followed Mr. Naka's expert advice on which one of the products within the range would be best suited for our needs, and had the Sani sealing discs installed in almost every room to continuously sanitize the air and reduce person-to-person transmission 24/7. We opted for the highly effective Sani intercooler in our theaters, as this sterilizes air and all surfaces within very short time frame in between surgical procedures. And finally invested in the versatile, lightweight, mobile handheld sterilization unit, which has proven ideal for those hard-to-reach places and items such as handbags, laptops, and files that cannot be sterilized by any other means. The Sani UV-C sterilization lighting technology has and will continue to ensure the optimal sanitization of our entire facility. Maverick offered us nothing short of the best service. From their professional customer service, the quality of their products, their excellent service delivery, the expert technical installation, and the consistent follow-up, along with in-depth hospital staff training, Maverick delivered on their every promise, and we at Riverside Hospital will reap the benefit of their products and services for a very long time to come. During the initial COVID-19 state of emergency in Botswana, we received a patient that later tested positive for COVID-19. Before the positive result, 9 of our staff members were exposed, and panic naturally followed. To our absolute relief, none of the staff contracted the dreaded virus. We thoroughly believe that the Sani UV-C installation combated the spread of the virus in that instance. In fact, not one staff member, patient or visitor visiting our facility has tested positive since we installed their technology throughout our hospital. This has significantly increased the confidence and morale across our staff complement, who can now continue to treat their patients with the utmost confidence and professionalism. As the owner of Riverside Hospital and a consultant physician for the last 30 years, I would highly and wholeheartedly recommend that my fellow medical practitioners and other medical facilities consider installing this to protect them and their valued patients. I further recommend that other industries such as banks, mines, embassies, airports, shopping centers, and government facilities seriously look into this form of sanitation, as it has granted us the peace of mind to continue to serve our community. There is no better solution than that which Maverick has to offer.
At Maverick, our motto to serve others stems from a deep conviction to give the very best all day, every day, because lives literally depend on it. We've aligned ourselves with world-renowned international brands such as Sani UV-C to give the very best, cutting-edge, quality products and customer service. Maverick is motivated to provide both the private and public sectors with this revolutionary way of sterilization, which will curb the spread of viruses and diseases, thereby safeguarding the people of Botswana from airborne diseases such as COVID-19 and TB. As the sole distributor of Sani in Botswana, we provide the full package, which includes supply, installation, training, and follow-up service. Kindly contact us or log on to our website if you require any further information. It would be a pleasure to serve you.